moving on, India's motor insurance framework could see more changes with discussions underway to expand the definition of third party and bring owner drivers under this ambit. Sources say this would allow them to claim compensation for death or bodily injury resulting from an accident involving their own vehicle. To understand the implications of what this could mean, Anurag Shah caught up with New India Assurance CMD Girija Subramanian, who believes any such move would raise premiums. Listen in.
Any development in motor insurance which becomes a liability for insurance companies will make big news. Whilst we are including liabilities into the coverage, I think it should be more fair to also hike up the premiums accordingly. This would bring a better impact for all concerned, and it would make insurance more viable, is what I believe.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, any discussions going on this proposal, and how, because you have a very big motor portfolio also, how your suggestions you will put for the council and to ministry?
I feel whatever discussions, whatever decisions are taken should be taken on a consultative basis, basis statistics, data, across a number of years with the insurance industry. I hope this is taken care of, so then it will help the implementation. If at all we have to go ahead with the implementation, it will help us better if the decisions are taken basis data, basis a consultative approach with insurance companies, the service providers, with the general public at large. Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, if we see the October data of insurance industry, it's not that much increasing. So what is the overall demand or overall traction after the GST implementation, especially for the New India Assurance?
Actually, New India Assurance has been growing across most lines. In motor, its main hindrance is the TP premium is yet not increased, and that is definitely the same. And in motor OD, there is a huge outgo by way of distribution cost that is also a concern. And on health, as there are a lot of things the industry is doing, and maybe it is work in progress. There are positive developments, and we're very happy that the industry's got together on this agenda, and I'm sure that in a few months' time we'll see a lot of things positively going ahead for health. Yes.
Ma'am, today only member distribution was saying about the reforms in the commission structure. So what kind of suggestions New India would be giving, that what kind of reforms can happen in the commission structure for the distribution?
Obviously, the distribution on certain lines like motor, specifically health, and even on other lines is a little bit, it needs rationalization. Whereas the premium keeps shrinking, the commission should also reflect the shrinkage in premium because I think finally the carrier of the risk is the insurer, and the insurer needs to pay the claims. So you have to look at the cost in terms of who's bearing the risk. I think that is done, and things will be easier and insurance as a business will be more viable if costs are rationalized across the kind of risk that each of these entities is carrying.
All right, so that was the